Exactly where AI-driven video creation becomes serious, the discussion isn't just about generating output. It's about quality control, choosing the right model, and turning a simple idea into a video suitable for advertising, presentations, or professional content. Clipfly is designed exactly for this purpose, a video generator not just for demos, but for building outputs that can be used in real projects. Today, we want to demonstrate this capability in practice, not just theoretically. So we will enter the workspace from scratch, walk through the video creation process step by step, produce a real example, and compare the quality of the output between direct generation and image-to-video transformation. In every video here on AI Border, 2 random viewers who leave a comment below will win a pro account of this very tool. So make sure to drop a comment, share your thoughts, or even just an emoji, because the next winner might be you. Let's jump into the video. Website, click on the sign in option, and simply log in using our Google account. After logging in, we click on the AI video section from the left menu. This is the core area of the platform and the main space for creating and generating videos. Here we have 2 main capabilities. The first capability is generating videos through text or image. The text-to-video mode is used when we only provide text, and the model creates the scene completely from scratch. The image-to-video mode is used when we already have an image, and we want the model to apply realistic or cinematic camera movement over that image while maintaining all details. The second capability is image generation, and the important point is that Clipfly supports a variety of models, including the professional Nano Banana Pro model. In addition, in the video generation section, users can choose from models like VO3, Flukes, Cdance, and Kling. To start the test, we go to text to video. We enter a simple text. Generate a close-up shot of a perfume bottle on a reflective surface with gentle warm lighting. Then we select the video model. We could choose VO3 or Flux or WAN 2.5 for example, and click Generate. After a few seconds, the output appears. The camera movement is natural and the lighting perfectly matches the description we provided. In the second test, we first create an image, a cozy Christmas city street at night decorated with warm holiday lights, Christmas trees, and soft snowfall. After a few seconds, the high-quality image is ready. Now we send the same image into the image to video section, and the model applies camera movement. The output is perfectly clear, the lines and lighting remain stable, and the camera moves forward in a cinematic way. To demonstrate a real use case, we create a short promotional project. In text-to-video, we enter this text. Create a minimal luxury commercial showing a pair of premium sunglasses in slow motion with soft shadows, reflective surfaces, and product-focused camera angles. After a few seconds, the video is ready and fully usable for luxury advertising. Another feature of Clipfly that really helps position it as an all-in-one platform is its AI music generation tool. Here, you can either write your own lyrics or simply provide a general idea or theme and let the AI generate the lyrics for you. Then, you just choose the music style, set the duration, and without any musical knowledge, create a custom track that perfectly matches the mood of your project. This feature is especially useful for videos, reels, and social media content. And now, let's take a look at the result I created using these exact settings.
Candlelight flickers on the wall, so low. Final whisper, secrets only lovers know.
This is exactly what sets Clipfly apart from an ordinary tool. We can build scenes from text, create cinematic shots from images, and by combining these 2 capabilities, we achieve professional quality outputs. If you want to use these same techniques and models to create professional videos or even run advertising projects, the Clipfly link is in the description. Try it and see the results for yourself. And don't forget to write your comment under this video. Every comment gives you a chance to enter the giveaway and win a premium account. If this video was helpful, give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button so you won't miss future tutorials and increase your chances of winning the giveaway.